Okay, there's a couple of ways that we can do question 10. We can do it the fast way and the mathematically rigorous way. So let's try doing it the fast way first. Okay, we're trying to find the gravitational field strength, right? And it's a planet, okay, so we need this formula. GM over R squared, right? Okay, we know that the mass of planet X is 300 times larger than the mass of the Earth. So this thing here on the top is going to get 300 times bigger, and planet X, the radius is 10 times that of the Earth. So this thing is going to get 10 times bigger, but then it's squared, all right, which is obviously the same as 100 times bigger, right? Okay. If the top gets 300 times bigger and the bottom gets 100 times bigger, then overall it gets 3 times bigger. Okay, that's fine for a paper 1, but if you wanted to do this rigorously, you know, and it asks you to prove this on a paper 2, then let's just go into that in a bit more detail, right? Okay, so we've got the G for planet X, okay, and that is going to be G times by 300 times the mass of the Earth, okay, and then it's 10 times the radius of the Earth squared, like that, right? Okay, and then we're going to divide, because it's saying the, you know, it's asking us to say what's the gravitational field strength on planet X in terms of the gravitational field strength. So if we do the ratio like this, you'll see how this works out. All right, so then everything on the right hand side, okay, sorry, I'm just going to get rid of that misleading little mark there. Okay, so to work out the gravitational field strength of the Earth, we just need that. Okay, and then you can cancel that with that and that with that. And then, careful, okay, this bottom bit works out to be 100 RE squared, okay, so that's 10 squared there, and it's exactly what we did above, okay. You'll see that GX is now equal to 3 times by, and then multiply out, 3 times by GE, okay, and in the question, they said the gravitational field strength on Earth is just lowercase g, so it's this answer here. Alright, so the long way and the short way, the short way is appropriate for paper 1, the long-handed method is appropriate if it was a paper 2 question.